Welcome to class 10 students. Today I am going to start the last chapter of your syllabus, which is chapter number 5. The name of the chapter is Environment and its Resources and their Conservation. Okay, so this chapter has many subparts. Okay, about 5 or 6 subparts are there, and I am going to start from the subpart 5C, environment and human population. Okay, 5C, environment and human population. The previous two subparts are quite big. They means those subparts A and B are going to be done by Shantini ma'am, and I am going to do the rest of the chapter starting from 5C. The rest of the chapter I will be going to do. Okay, so this part is about the ever increasing human population and what consequences it has on the environment. Okay, so let's start reading. Problems of ever increasing population. Next, the possible question that can come from this one is, what are the problems caused by ever increasing population? Instead of problems you might get words like consequences or disadvantages or effects, something like that. Okay, now environment is the sum total of living and non-living things which exert influence on living organisms present in a particular area. So we all know what is environment. It is the sum total of living and non-living things. Biotic, and it is better to say the words, proper words should be biotic and abiotic instead of living and non-living things, and they exert influence on the living organisms present in a particular area. The natural surroundings of an organism which affect its life by directly influencing its activities is called an environment. It consists of lithosphere, which is soil, rocks, etc. It also consists of atmosphere, hydrosphere means water, etc. Okay, so the first paragraph is what environment is and its definition, what it consists of. Okay, next we go to the let's go to the second paragraph. It is about the 3 P's. What are the 3 P's? Throughout the world, all the problems may be summarized as 3 P's. What are these 3 P's? Pollution, population and poverty. So these 3 things determine a lot of problems all over the world. Okay, ever increasing human population is creating a lot of devastating pollution and overconsumption that can be summarized as follows. So what is the first point? We are now going to talk about all the harmful effects or consequences or problems of the overpopulation that is taking place in our earth. Okay, first point is overexploitation and depletion of natural resources. Overexploitation is unnecessarily using something which doesn't even need, whose need is not even there right now. Okay, so overexploitation and depletion of natural resources. Depletion means degradation, reduction. Okay, man is overexploiting natural resources like fossil fuel, coal and petroleum. Next point is deforestation. We all know deforestation is a very big topic right now. People everywhere are asking everyone to plant trees and to stop deforestation, and deforestation is also causing loss of ecosystem. Forest trees contributes valuable quantity of oxygen to global atmosphere and thus helps to maintain oxygen and carbon dioxide balance in the atmosphere. By deforestation, huge amount of forest area is decreasing, causing a lot of pollution hazards. About 8 million hectares of forest are lost each year. Okay, so deforestation is a problem all over the world, and it is also disrupting the balance between oxygen and carbon dioxide and also causing a lot of pollution all over the world. Point number 3 is shrinking of agricultural land because of extensive urbanization. What is urbanization? Urban means the city. urban area means the city. So to form the city areas, to form shopping malls, factories, big buildings, big campuses, all these things, they need space, and not only for urbanization, they need space for industrialization, to form industries, factories, establishment of townships, all these things. Due to the requirement of all these things, agricultural land is decreasing, and after that it will be a full stop. It is not there in the book. 3/4 of the earth is water and only 1/4 is land. We all know that. This small land area again consists of barren land, mountain, desert, foreign, township, industry, etc. So only 1/4 of the earth is land. The rest 3/4 part is water. So out of this 1/4 land part, most of it is occupied by barren land, mountain, desert, township, forest, industry. So excluding all these things, only a very little amount of area is left for agricultural purposes. Okay, so very small land area, less than 10% is available for agricultural purpose, but this area is still squeezing by progressive urbanization. So only 10% land is available for agriculture, and that is also being squeezed up or decreasing day by day due to progressive urbanization. This is a big threat to global ecosystem, and this has formed or created a big threat to the global ecosystem. Okay, so the first 3 points are done. Now we are going to the fourth point, which is storage of fresh water. This is also a very big problem. People are suffering from lack of or scarcity of fresh water, which we need for our daily life purposes, and there is a shortage of this fresh water all over the world. Due to overpopulation, there is acute shortage of fresh water for drinking, regular household works, and for agricultural crops. So we, in the previous point only, we learned that 3/4 of the earth is water, and out of the 3/4 water part of the earth, mostly all are the oceans and seas, which that means marine water. Very little amount of rivers and waterfalls, those are there. Okay, so fresh water, amount of fresh water available is very less. Okay, and due to overpopulation, this is also a natural resource, right? This is due to overpopulation, this is further increasing, and thus people are not getting enough water for drinking, regular household works, and for agricultural crops. So I have explained the consequences of overpopulation till point number 4. I will continue with point number 5 in the next video. Okay, thank you.